Okay, we're live. We're starting that. There, I just got another email from somebody. Alright, so today is 6th July, Monday, 2020, 11:24 in the morning. I'm here with, I got an extra light, so it might be a little bright, so I'm going to flip this around and look at that. Wait, there's the other camera in the bathroom. Alright, and then I'm going to put this down so y'all can see what's going on here. So now let me just show the thing. Oh, there. All right, went away. Okay, so again, it's 11:25 Monday, July 6, 2020 in the morning. Okay, so there's that phone. Now, what I want to do is first, I want to say that last night, let's see here, I can see myself in the mirror of that camera, and I can see myself there. Great. So I don't need to zoom in. Well, I can. Okay. So let me get this box here. All right. This is a Aiwa CS. How's that going to work? Okay. There. All right. So what I want to do, try and do too many things at once. Well, I'll just turn this on. This is a cell phone plugged into the auxiliary input. Let's see, let me show this on this camera over here up close so you can see briefly in the bad light. But it's plugged into that there, okay, which is the external mic, auxiliary, and it's stereo. And I'm going to show that here hopefully by playing I do have it. Okay, I'm going to play a test sounds. And I'm using the microphones here for this camera, but not for this cell phone, people. Alright, so I'm going to play the test sounds. Oh, wait. What am I doing? Oh, okay. Well, oh, that's right. I got to turn this on. That on FM there. Thing. Hopefully you heard the stereo effect in this, because this is one channel and that's the other. This is one, that's the other. Again, that all works like that, alright? So, and if you unplug it, okay,
Estoy ansiosa por soltarlo.
that works. Volume too loud. Well, I'm not trying for that. But anyway, so then put it on tape, hit play. Let me drop the phones here somewhere. I'm trying to do too many things. So, wait, I'm confused. Okay, put that over there. And then, lastly, let's see here. Oh, tape. Play. Let me just kick that out and flip it over and hit play. So that plays. I don't want to sell the music, so it all works. It's got the complete antenna, it's got that, and you put this somewhere. I'm going to do the microphones for the stereo thing from the camera. There we go. So no more stereo effect from that. So this has been sold. This is the Aiwa I can't remember. CS-230, okay? And the reason for this happy little live video is so that I can say a few things. Thank you for buying this from me. I just wanted to show you that it all works, but also that I need a shipping box, okay? And so because I need a shipping box, I've had this one here for 10 years or so, and about 5 years ago I bought this one here, which is, let's see, let's just do it like this. Okay, alright, so let's see. So this one here fits in this box. This is also an Aiwa CS-230, but I made a mistake when I bought this because I bought this from Germany. Okay, so I got this one here from Germany, and as you can see, it'll fit in here. It'll be, you know, have enough height or whatever. I really need to tilt that one down. Let's see here. So let me just set that down over there. Let me go and move this camera down just a bit so I can see. That should be good. All right. So now, let's see, sit back on my stool. That's better. So you can barely hear that move. So, and I've got an extra light over here so you can see better. So, all right. So I just want to open this up here. Don't need to save any of this paper because it's so old. And so here we go. Just open this up because hopefully I can reuse the packing that's in here, and so on and so forth. So, yeah. Alright, we got newspaper. Let's see here. Okay, so that, and that, like this. Here we go. So, we got lots of newspaper. I think y'all can see that. This is, well, we got a, okay, we have a Gartenschrank Spitzstock. Okay, see that? Gartendock Spitzstock. Okay, so it's definitely German. Anyway, I'll just have to make a mess, I guess. And what is this? Here we have a, well, who cares? Whatever. Alright, so, just, and in this box here is a, yep, it's an Aiwa. It's another Aiwa. It's a silver Aiwa. And again, this one here is in, looks like pristine condition. Oh wow, I didn't notice. This one has, wow, okay, so this one has shortwave. Mine only has AM and FM, but this one has shortwave. I'll just see that real quick in the YouTube people. So that has shortwave. And the only mistake I made when I bought this is it does not have, this only runs on 220 volts. Oh shucks, it has a crack in it. See the crack? Wait, see the crack? There's a crack in the bottom. Oh well. Okay, well maybe I'm not too concerned about that. I'm just more interested that it's got everything. So what kind of plugs it take? Ah, I came prepared. So I've got got two cards here. One of these is a figure 8, which is what this takes. So let's take a figure 8 cord and stick it in. And that's plugged into the same one that the light is plugged into, so we put it on radio and some volume. Well, that's not any good.
Always hate having to break in to do this. We have bad news.
So I only got one channel. That side's not working.
At the age of 83.
No sound.
In
Okay.
Tennessee.
Well, okay, now I got some sound there.
Arrangements announced.
Anyway, so much for that. The radio kind of sort of works. Where's my other tape player? Okay, so let me get my tape out of here, right? So, all right, took the tape out. Oh, there it is. Okay, so put this in. Let's see here. That works. Rewind works. Fast forward works. Play works. Great. Let's see what happens when we put a tape in. And flip it over to tape and hit play. And give it some volume. No sound. Definitely playing. But no sound. Well, something else to... Probably needs all the switches cleaned and such because it had barely any sound on the radio. But, so, alright, well, didn't need the tape, so that's good. Still no sound. Nope, no sound. Okay, well, tired of this. Alright, so much for that. At least now I know I have a box so I can ship the red one in. Okay, so we'll do that. Okay, so there's that, there's that. What else can I show you? Let's see here. Well, I'm waiting on someone else to pay me for one of those radios there. And then there's another person out here that I made a deal with about 6 weeks ago, and I'm just waiting for him to, you know, scroll up his message history for this one here, and where'd the other one go? Here it is. Here's that one. Okay. Now, while digging through here, I found some other radios. I've got this big box right here. This is a Imperial. I don't know if you can see that, or who can see that, but there's an Imperial something or other. And then I found this Soundy. I don't know if you've ever seen a Soundy before, but here's a Soundy by Sony. And it, I can't remember if it works, and I think I repaired it, but there's that. And that's really all I wanted to show you here. It's just, maybe this is too bright, turn that off, so, yeah, so, so, well, just wave at these people, wave at whoever else is in here. Okay, and then, well, yeah, alright, well, I'm having too much fun here. Alright, well, yeah, alright, well, that's it. Good day, bye-bye, hope you enjoyed. I just got, you know, all this stuff here. Let's see here. Richie Storm, you're having way too much fun with that newspaper. Yes, okay. Well, there's this, that. I have the Sanyos to work on still, the 9999994, and then of course, let's see here, how do you take this thing off of here? Who knows? Gosh, where's the release on this? Where's the release? The release go missing? Well, there it is. Okay, hard to release that. Yeah, so anyway, there's the other camera. So I'm going to hit the finish on that because okay, so, and then here's the, you know, the, what is that? That's the Sanyo 99998. Okay, and then I just found the Pioneer, and then I've got all this stuff up here. I know this is probably too fuzzy, but okay, John Vergara. Alright, hi John. I just got too much stuff here to do, so I'm going to mail the red one off. I've got the silver one here to fix. I've got stuff, more tapes, more everything, just having too much fun waving this cell phone around. Okay, so when you hit finish and say goodbye, good day, hope you enjoyed, I gotta go, bye bye. So ending live video, okay, so, and just hit share. Okay, so now, and then this one here is still running along. Let me just take it off the camera, or take the camera off the tripod, there we go. Or not, okay, great. Not tangled on nothing, so let's see, 14, 15 minutes. Well, okay, so waiting to sell that, this, and the Sharp there, okay, and yeah, just too many things to work on, not enough time, takes a long time to work on these radios. That's all I know. So I gotta ship that out today, work on that sometime in the future. Here's a couple of, here's two Panasonics, and just too much fun. Alright, so good day, bye-bye, hope you enjoyed. I'm having too much fun. I gotta go upload this and do something else. Alright, and yeah, no one has, see, I got this thing here. It's just a speaker box with a cassette player in it. Oh man, no one's interested in that except for you, and there's the other Sensui, and I got the third one somewhere, and then there's the Crown that I talked to somebody about. Needs the deck door, and then there's the, what do you call that thing? There's the what is that thing? The Canyon Technosonic gold thing, right? And then there is a Sanyo, and then here is a Sanyo, and like I said, I can't keep track of all this. Okay, I don't want to ramble you to death. Just, I got radios here to work on. Just as soon as I get a chance to work on them, I will work on them. There's a Toshiba RT 8065. I can't remember what's in that, but I got other Toshibas and all these minis to work on. Alright, I'm having too much fun. Good day, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.